I'll show you a quick and easy way to add some graphics. I won't spend any time creating any cool graphic designs, but I'll just create a selection through here of something that you know, might work okay and look reasonably cool. Just being very quickly and not giving it too much thought. Just make this sort of selection. Might be a little bit more out here. Just wrapping down over the flare there. And back up into there. Oops, that should be enough. I might go select inverse, just add a little, one more little streak up into there. Select inverse again. So now that's that area of the body selected, which is separate to all this, and we can go back again to hue saturation and add some different color into there. So again, I might want to turn the saturation back up, turn the lightness back up, add a lot more saturation, fix up the hue so it's a sort of a contrasting color in there. And yeah, that's beginning to sort of create a different color to the body there that you can see. The other thing is you could go to brightness and contrast to get a bit more depth back into the reflection, make it a little bit lighter, a bit brighter, a bit more contrasty. So deselect that. All of a sudden we've got this sort of graphic going down the side of the car. So from the base rendering there, we've completely changed the look.